I'm making this video for my mom because she moved away, and we just basically had the worst blizzard that we've ever had in Rhode Island, ever. 30 something inches. So I want to show her what's up. Here's what we're looking at right now. This is just my apartment complex. Our apartments charge $25 a month to park in this garage, but they're letting people park in here for free because of the weather. And residents that own a parking spot that pay $25 a month get $5 off their $2,100 a month rent. So thanks, apartment. Thanks for giving us $5 off. Real troopers there. So I actually left work at like, this is an exit, by the way. You should be able to drive through here. I left work at 8 a.m. from Rhode Island Hospital, and I drove in this weather for about 2.5 hours to get home. Got stuck like 7 times, helped a bunch of people get out of their own stuckness, and this is what we're looking at. The worst part about it is the winds. There was like 75-mile-per-hour winds. Makes visibility literally zero. They stopped all the plows. And you can see there's an entrance right here. All the cars that were like near the entrance got a little bit of snow on them. Check out these stairs that lead up. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna be the first person to walk up these stairs because I'm fucking bored. Oh, it's up to your knees. It is up to my waist. Oh my God. You can see like right there, that's like 3. It's probably like 3 feet right there. Our parking lot is actually decent, so the wind died down, so there is visibility. Before I was driving home, you couldn't see 2 feet in front of you. It's the most dangerous thing I've ever done in my life. But it seems like the wind has died down, so there is visibility. I'm sure the plows are going to be out soon, and it looks like they're actively plowing now. So my parking lot looks a lot better than it did the last snowstorm. But some people are gonna get plowed in for days. Like even this spot just got you're gonna have to shovel out again. Look at how big these snowbanks are. Oh! They're big. Snowbanks are big. And this is the problem with the city, is most side streets just aren't plowed. Like this is an entire street with a giant pile of snow in the middle of it, covered in like 3 feet of snow. And that's most of the side streets in the state right now. That's why it's so hard to get around. It took me about 2 hours to get from Rhode Island Hospital to my house. Zero visibility, first of all, and the roads weren't plowed at all. There weren't, the plow ban was in effect, so took me a little bit longer than usual. Got stuck a bunch of times, but I made it. All my haters had to take a seat. Everybody at my work was telling me to not do that, and I probably shouldn't have, but I did make it. Misty is stuck at work right now. She has been there since about 7 o'clock. Look at these snowbanks right here. This snowbank of them plowing is as tall as me. I'm gonna do this as quickly as possible because the wind, it's like right at my head. It's like right at my head. This pile is about 7 feet tall. They're doing a pretty good job with with our parking lot, but you could tell it's still a 4-foot amount of snow just all over these cars. That's like at least 3-4 feet. And the roads aren't any better at all. Get out of this guy's way. He's doing God's work right now. It's crazy to see, but while I was driving home, there was so many just abandoned cars on the side of the road. People get stuck, just leave their cars. Because this person right in front of me, they're stuck. They're shoveling out their car right now. I just went up this unplowed street, at least 1.5 feet of snow the whole way. And now we're at a decent part of the main road. And actually, it's a lot better than I expected. Since the wind died down, clouds have definitely been out. But you can see just from the side of the road, this is 3.5 feet of snow everywhere. Almost impossible to get out. Basically impossible to get out right now. In a few hours, probable. It's not that cold. It's actually not really cold at all. It's just a lot of snow. Look at these cars. Look at these cars. They are fucked. They're screwed for days. That is like a 4-foot pile of snow on top and in front of their cars. Another thing is it's very slippery. It might just be because people have been plowing the same spot over and over, but it is very slippery on this right now. This is like an ice rink. And this is just to get into my building. I'm gonna break my neck.